In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Wix. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or simply someone looking to share updates, newsletters are an incredible tool to connect with your audience. Wix makes this process straightforward and efficient, even if you're not a design expert. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, design, and send a professional-looking newsletter that aligns with your brand. So let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to navigate to the Wix homepage. If you're not already familiar with Wix, it's a platform that provides tools for building websites, managing online stores, and of course, creating email newsletters. Once you're on their homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is sign into your Wix account. Use the email and password associated with your Wix account to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Wix Dashboard. Now take a moment to locate the marketing section in your dashboard. To do this, hover over the section labeled Marketing. This is where Wix stores all the tools you'll need to grow your audience and promote your business. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Email Marketing. This will take you to the area where you can begin crafting your newsletter. Once you're in the email marketing section, you'll be presented with two options. You can either choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or start from scratch. If you're new to creating newsletters, I recommend selecting a template that closely matches your brand's style. Templates are a great starting point because they're already structured, making it easier to visualize your content. However, if you prefer full creative control, you can opt to start from scratch. After you've made your choice, click on Edit Template to open the editor. This is where you can begin customizing the content. Wix provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor so you can easily move elements around, add text, and insert images. Take your time here to make sure your content is clear, engaging, and aligned with your goals for the newsletter. Next, you'll want to modify the themes and adjust the layout to fit your brand's identity. This includes tweaking the color scheme, fonts, and overall design to match your logo and website. Consistency across your branding builds trust and makes your content more recognizable. While editing, don't forget to click on the background option to make adjustments that complement your design. Whether you choose a solid color, gradient, or an image background, it's important that the background enhances your newsletter's readability rather than distracting from it. Once you're happy with the design, take advantage of the preview and test feature. This step is crucial to ensure your newsletter looks as polished as possible. In preview mode, double-check that all your links are working, your images are displaying correctly, and the layout looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Testing allows you to catch any errors before you send the newsletter to your audience. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Next to proceed to the audience targeting step. Here, you'll decide who will receive your newsletter. You can either send it to all your contacts or select specific target groups. For example, if your newsletter is promoting a special offer, you might want to send it only to your most engaged subscribers. After selecting your audience, click Next again to move to the final step. You're almost there. Review everything one last time. This includes the content, design, and recipient list. When you're confident that everything is ready to go, click Publish. By doing this, you'll send the newsletter to your selected audience, and just like that, your job is done. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to create a newsletter in Wix. With these tools and steps, you can keep your audience updated and engaged in a way that's professional and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.